Minglava, welcome back to Gold Burmese language lessons. I'm going to talk about today's lesson 23. It's names of the month in Myanmar. Before start the lessons, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's get started. How to say month? La. La. When we say the name of the months, always put la sound in end of the all month names. We follow the pattern. Very easy. January. Sanawari la. Sanawari la. January. Sanawari la. Sanawari la. February. February la. February la. February. February la. February la. March. Mala. Mala. March. Mala. Mala. April. Aprila. Aprila. April. Aprila. Aprila. May. Mela. Mela. May. Mela. Mela. June. Zonla. Zonla. June. Zonla. Zonla. July. Zulaila. Zulaila. July. Zulaila. Zulaila. August. Augustla. Augustla. August. Augustla. Augustla. September. September la. September la. September. September la. September la. October. October la. October la. October. October la. October la. November. November la. November la. November. November la. November la. December. December la. December la. December. December la. December la. I will coming back to you the next lessons step by step also. Hope you enjoy Gold Burmese language lessons. Thanks for watching. Jesu Demare. Jesu Demare.